In this video, we discuss the recent Customs Appellate Tribunal case involving M.S. Greenlam Industries Limited and the Commissioner Customs Preventive, Jaipur. The case revolves around the import of base paper under CTH 48119099 and the alleged non-compliance with the Paper Import Monitoring System, PIMS, registration timeline, as mandated by Notification No. 11/2015-2020. The adjudicating authority initially ordered the confiscation of goods and imposed a redemption fine of 3 lakhs rupees along with a penalty of rupees 50,000, citing violations of Section 111(d) and Section 112(a)(I) of the Customs Act, 1962. The appellant challenged this decision, arguing that the delay in PIMS registration was due to late receipt of documents from the shipper and was merely a procedural lapse. The tribunal, led by Hobieli member, Judicial, ruled in favor of the appellant, stating that the timeline for PIMS registration was procedural and not mandatory. The tribunal emphasized that the term can in the notification indicates a directory requirement rather than a mandatory one. Since the PIMS certificate was submitted before the clearance of goods, the purpose of the import condition was fulfilled, and the confiscation and penalties were deemed unwarranted. The tribunal referred to key legal precedents, including Siddharth Enterprises vs. Nodal Officers, 2019, 29, GSTL 664, Guj. Commissioner of Central Excise vs. Home Ashok Leyland Limited, 2007, 210, ELT 178. Mangalore Chemicals and Fertilizers Ltd vs. Deputy Commissioner, 1991, 55, ELT 437, SC. These cases established that procedural lapses should not lead to substantive penalties or confiscation if the purpose of the condition is fulfilled. In conclusion, the tribunal set aside the orders of the lower authorities and allowed the appeal, marking a significant judgment on procedural compliance in customs law. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.